This is the Eovolt Evening electric bike, and it's currently on offer for £1,799. This is reduced from £2,199. The bike is available on a range of colours. If you visit our website, you'll be able to see the full range, and all bikes are currently on offer at the reduced price of £1,799. The Evening has 24-inch wheels and is a semi-folding design, so the bars and the pedals fold in while the frame doesn't fold. The seat post battery, it's 10.4 amp hours, so that's larger than the average for this style of bike. And as with all Eovolt bikes, the quality of the components are above average, with Shimano drive gear running the rear hub motor. So it's a 250 watt motor, and that provides 40 Newton meters of torque. You can view the full specification on our website, and if you have any further questions, then we're here to help.